Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok Laser. This is Emily and today I'll show you our company. We integrate research and development, sales, production, and we're focusing on laser cleaning machine, laser cleaning solution, and laser welding technology. This is our showroom where you can see our portable laser cleaning machine. The power from 50 watts to 300 watts, which is lighting and easy to operate. The next one is our battery powered laser cleaning machine. The power from 100 to 300 watts. The next show is our new Type 500 powered luggage type laser cleaning machine. And this one is our water cooling system for 300 laser cleaning machine. Our water cooling system powers laser cleaning machine from 200 watts to 1000 watts. And another one is our new type continuous laser cleaning machine. The power is 6000 watts. Next, this is our showroom of our laser cleaning hand and samples. This is all our different laser cleaning hand from 4th generation to 5th generation. The 5th generation, the net weight is just only 650 grams. Next, this is our different cleaning samples by our different laser cleaning machine, including metal, rubber, precision parts, and etc. Our factory follows standardized production system. Each machine should be tested strictly to ensure the machine high performance and stability. Our products export to over the world. The machine can be widely used in highway, shipping, building, car service, mold, aerospace, etc. As you can see, this is our warehouse and different accessories are displaying at here. Our factory follows a standard production system. All accessories of our machine are assembled by ourselves. This is TikTok Laser, a reliable integrated manufacturing and trading company for laser equipment. Contact us to learn more.